Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we will talk about consolidation grouting method. In this video, we will explain how to do the consolidation grouting in rock. This is grouting machine. This one is a mix of grout, cement, water, and there we will mix the cement and water on the other mixer. So we are adding now cement, one bag. Before we have added one bag, 1:4 ratio. Now this is another one bag. So it will be two mix in this hole in 1:4 ratio. After we will see if it will take more cement grout to this hole, so we will decrease the water cement ratio. But we will see, decrease the water cement ratio gradually, not at once. The method is, first we will find the Lugin value of the hole where we have to grout. So we will have a Lugin value. After that we will start grouting. So we already know that in this hole what is our Lugin value and what is the cement water cement ratio required. So we have started in this hole 1:4 ratio water cement ratio. So if cement, it will take more cement in this hole, so we will change the water cement ratio 1:4 to 1:2 ratio, then 1:1, then 0:0.75. The ratio depends upon the intake of grouting in this hole. So if it will take more cement, we will start like 1:4 to 1:1 like this. We have given 5 bar pressure at the hole and 7 at the grouting machine. So if grout will not go, so pressure will not be increased and it will give back pressure. So we will stop the grouting. We will take the reading. So in the sheet, in the calculation sheet, we will write the time of start and time of end and lapse minutes and how many kg of cement consumed in this hole. So we will calculate it and then we will report it. So this is the procedure. For more informative videos, please subscribe and like this channel.